Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter Settings and go to Display. Right here we've got all your display settings. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode and change dark mode settings. For example, you can turn on as scheduled. Then we've got brightness level and adaptive brightness. Next we can enable and disable eye comfort shield, change screen mode, font size and style, enable bond font, and change screen zoom. Next, we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable touch panels, change navigation bar between buttons and swipe gestures, enable touch sensitivity and screensaver. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.